baloya aba gavumenti ne baloya ba Mr. Christopher Onyum bayina obujulizi bwe bakanyizaawo nti babuleete mu kooti ng'ebizibiti. Kino bakikola obutayagala kuyita abajulizi aboogera obujulizi obukwata ku biwandiiko oba obujulizi bwe bakanyizaako okuleeta mu kooti.
So as that evidence is being read out, I want you to listen very carefully, because at the end of it, I will require all of us to sign on that document which has agreed evidence. So please listen carefully. Yes, Ms. Kiza.
The agreed evidence, my Lord, is in respect of...
I want to be sure that other people are hearing.
Okay.
Are you hearing us? Let's try to be audible enough.
Just lower it a little. Lower the microphone. There. Hello? Okay. You can do it. Thank you.
Yes, Ms. Kiza, please try to speak loudly. There are people the other side who may want to follow the proceedings.
Most obliged. The agreed evidence, my Lord, is in respect of Police Form 48B, which is the postmortem report, and the various postmortem reports that we have. My Lord, the postmortem reports are 4 in total. The first one, my Lord, is a postmortem report in respect of Eteku Gideon. Eteku Gideon was one of the children. This is under CRB number 026 of 2026, Ggaba Police Station. The bodies were taken to the city mortuary, Mulago, and the postmortem was conducted on the 2nd of April 2026. The postmortem examination, my Lord.
The postmortem was done when?
On 2nd of April 2026.
Okay.
Eteku Gideon was a male adult, a male juvenile. Okay. I beg your pardon, my Lord. This postmortem was conducted by Dr. Katongole Abdul.
Katongole?
Abdul.
Abdul.
Yes. Okay. The deceased in this case, my Lord, was a male juvenile. He was a preschool child. Of black race. He had 21 teeth. He had 11 teeth in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. And his jaw was intact. The body was cold with primary flaccidity. And the body was also pale. Evidence of trauma. There was a 14-centimeter long open wound on the right side of the neck, located at 66 centimeters from the right heel.
We have 4 children who are said to have been killed, and there is a doctor who performed a post-mortem examination on each one of them, or on all of them. And that doctor is called Dr. Katongole Abdul. Okay? So he examined all the 4 children and came up with the reports. So those reports, I have admitted them as prosecution exhibits. Okay? The first report is in respect of a child called Eteku Gideon, and it was done by, the examination was done by Dr. Katongole Abdul on the 2nd of April, 2026. Okay? I want you to listen carefully. And he said when he received this body, it was of a male preschool child of a black race. On evidence of trauma, there was a 14-centimeter long open wound on the right side of the neck, which was located at 66 centimeters from the right heel and the nape of the neck. It was long than it was deep. It was also characterized by smooth edge, regular margins, no bridging fibers, marginal contusion, no contusion of the underlying soft tissues. That the wound was deep, it was transecting through the esophagus, the trachea, the internal jugular vein, the vagus nerve, cut fractures of C6 vertebrae. However, the spinal cord of this body, it was intact. Then he said that the cause of death for this child was hypovolemic shock due to deep cut wounds. In simple terms, that this child was cut and he was cut deeply, and as a result, he died. So that is the first report. And I have admitted it, and I have marked it Exhibit 1 for the prosecution. Have you understood that?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So the second one that you have agreed upon, your lawyers and the prosecution, is another post-mortem report. It is for a girl child. She's called again Roth Keisha Otim. Her body was also examined by the same doctor. The same doctor is called Dr. Katongole Abdul. And she was found to be a female preschool child, and she was of black race. The evidence of trauma, this child that she had, the body of this child had a 9-centimeter long open wound, and it was on the right side of the neck at 65 centimeters from the right heel and 1 centimeter from the anterior middle line. And it was longer than it was deep. The wound was longer, the length was bigger or more than the depth of the wound. That this wound was also characterized by smooth edges. Is it true?
Do you mean, my lord, to ask me for the plea?
Sorry?
The plea?
You want to speak to your lawyers?
Yeah, yes,
Please.
just 1 minute, please.
Mr. Okello, is it true?
No, my lord. I plead otherwise.
We are in court. Could we please have some peace and calm? Is it true?
I plead not guilty, my lord.
You plead not guilty. You, Christopher Okello Onyum, are those your names?
Yes, my lord, those are my names.
Okay. That on the 2nd day of April 2026 at Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Eteku Gideon. What this offense means is that you, with intention, you unlawfully caused the death of this person called Eteku Gideon. So have you heard that charge?
Yes, my lord, I have heard the charge.
You've heard the charge. Have you understood it?
Yes, my lord.
You've understood it?
Yes, I did. I understood it.
Is it true?
Do you mean, my lord, to ask me for the plea?
Sorry?
The plea?
You want to speak to your lawyers?
Yeah, yes,
Please.
just 1 minute, please.
Mr. Okello, is it true?
No, my lord. I plead otherwise.
We are in court. Could we please have some peace and calm? Is it true?
I plead not guilty, my lord.
You plead not guilty.
Onyum bamuvunaana emisango eryena ogusooka gwa butemu nga kigambirwa nti Christopher Okello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 ogwokuna 2026 Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center mu Ggaba Trading Center, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division mu Kampala District ng'alina ekigendererwa yatta Eteku Gideon. Bamubuuziza omusango n'agamba aguwulidde naye nga si kituufu.
Mr. Okello, we are going to the second count, and it is also a charge of murder. It is contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. And the particulars of this offense are that you, Christopher Okello Onyum, on the 2nd day of April 2026 at Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Kaise Alungat or Tim. And what this offense means is that you intentionally killed or caused the death of this person called Kaise Alungat or Tim. Mr. Okello, have you heard the charge?
Yes, my lord, I've heard the charge.
Have you understood it?
Yes, yes, my lord, I have understood the charge.
And how do you plead? How do you plead?
I plead not guilty to this charge, my lord.